What you do in the first 5 minutes after a crash can determine whether you get paid or get nothing. The first thing you need to do is check if you are injured. Safety is the most important thing. Check the surroundings and make sure that everyone's okay. Call 911 and get a police report. Even if it's a minor accident, having a police report can really help your case. It's also important to never admit fault at the scene of the accident. There's so much adrenaline going on. You also may not feel any pain at the time, and you'll say, oh, I'm okay or I'm fine, but that's not necessarily true. You want to make sure you get checked out by a medical professional to make sure that you're okay. 2 to 3 days after is when you first start feeling the actual symptoms of the car accident. So take a deep breath, relax, and just try to see how your body responds after the accident. Don't give any incriminating responses to an insurance company either. They're likely going to call you after an accident and ask you for your version of the events or how you're feeling after the accident. It's important to have an attorney involved and let our office handle those phone conversations for you. All vehicle, license plates, road conditions, traffic signs, any visible injury is something that you need to take a photo of. This is evidence for your case, and having more evidence for your case makes your case stronger and will allow us to get more money for you. Another thing that clients don't usually do, but should definitely do, is get witness information. Having a third party that has no bias, has no interest in your case, to tell their version of the events is extremely helpful for your case. Having witness information will make your case a lot stronger. So look around, see if there are people in the area that saw your accident. Get their phone number and get their names, and that will be very helpful for us down the line when we try to settle your case. After an accident, it's also very important to get medical treatment right away. A lot of times, clients don't know exactly what happened and they don't know the injuries that they sustained. I had a client recently that had a broken sternum and he had no idea. It's important to get that medical treatment in and talk to the doctor to make sure that you're okay. If you or a loved one have been injured, make sure to call our office so we can set them up with the appropriate doctors and make sure you're taken care of. As I stated before, it's important that you get an attorney right away to handle all communications with the insurance company. These insurance companies are businesses like any other business, and their goal is to make sure that you don't get paid out. Cases that have an attorney involved typically settle for 3 times more than a case that is handled with the actual injured party. We have the tools necessary to make sure we get top dollar for your case. Insurance companies move fast, and so should you. Give us a call at GoJeff Law so we can help you maximize your value.
Go Jeff Law, personal injury attorney. Go Jeff Law.